As consumers, we've never had more options at our fingertips than we do today, especially when it comes to nutritional supplements like protein. The choices are endless and they all seem to promise exceptional results. But how can we determine which one is better than others? How can we be sure what we're putting into our bodies is actually doing what the label guarantees? To make an informed decision, we must first understand what exactly a protein is and the different forms it comes in.
A protein is simply a combination of amino acids in a structure held together by peptide bonds. So if you think of it much like a ball and all the little components that comprise to actually form that ball. All proteins differ, and they all differ in the types and ratios of different amino acids they have. Some proteins are very easily assimilated by the body, others are not. Vegetable proteins are very hard for your body to assimilate. It's not something that the body is really familiar with. What makes collagen protein unique is that it is the most abundant substance in your body besides water. Collagen is in your blood vessels, connective tissue, ligaments, tendons, fingernails, hair, and your muscles. So it is something your body is familiar with. And that's why collagen is such an amazing protein, is that it truly provides full body support.
All collagen comes from animal sources. It can come from cows, it can come from fish, but there's no such thing as vegan collagen. It has to come from animals. Anything that's being marketed as vegan collagen, what you're buying is a supplement that is trying to get your body to create more collagen. It's based on theory, it might not even be successful. So if you really want the benefits of collagen, you should just buy ingestible collagen because it's usable. You don't have to wait for your body to try to create it. Your body can just use it right out of the gate.
Collagen is the building block for just about every part of our bodies, inside and out. From keeping our hair, nails, and skin looking youthful and healthy, to keeping ligaments and tendons pliable as we age, collagen protein is great for recovery, healing, and the overall health of our bodies. But in order to reap the full benefits of it, collagen should be two very important things: bioavailable and a complete protein.
Collagen is naturally occurring in our bodies, but as early as the age of 25, that's when our body slows down on creating new collagen. Because collagen's used to repair so many parts of our body, it's important to start supplementing collagen as early as 25 or even earlier, because you need those benefits and your body's just not creating it anymore. So it's important to have a protein that is both a complete protein, because that's the only way that you get all of the benefits with all 22 essential, non-essential, and conditionally essential amino acids. And you want it to be nanohydrolyzed, to be smaller than the pores in your stomach, so that your body digests everything completely in as little as 15 minutes.
Developed by former Navy SEALs, Frog Fuel and Pro-T Gold are the most bioavailable collagen proteins on the market. Made from the collagen of grass-fed cows, their protein is free of GMOs. Fortified to be a complete protein and is nanohydrolyzed to be smaller than the pores in your stomach.
Most consumers are actually really paying attention to the front of the label, which talks about the grams per serving. And what they're really missing is the understanding of product assimilation or bioavailability. Because that's more important, because it doesn't matter how many grams of protein that you take if your body can't make that protein usable and all you're doing is excreting it as waste. We manufacture a protein down to 2,500 Daltons, which is roughly half the size that a human pore within the digestive system can absorb. The advantage we have is that we do have two brands that are essentially the same formula, but we are a clinical product. The reason that's important is because every claim that we make, we have to back by a proven study. Pro-T Gold is our clinical brand. We currently use that for the treatment of over 14 different medical indications, and that list of indications is growing. And number one use of our product is post-surgical wound healings, proven to heal wounds 2 times faster. We consider collagen in its own category, and we call that category lifestyle, meaning that it's adaptable to different individuals that have different needs. You have individuals in a clinical setting that have clinical needs. You have those that are participating in sports at a very elite level, and then you have those who just want to live an everyday, healthy, active life. This product is made for everybody, especially any individual who wants to continue to live an active, healthy lifestyle.
Designed to be the most powerful protein in the world, Frog Fuel and Pro-T Gold's nanohydrolyzed collagen protein absorbs 4 times faster than whey protein and is 100% digestible within 15 minutes. Each product is portable, ready to drink, and requires no mixing. Just open and drink.
Customers call us every week, sometimes every day, telling us how they had an injury or a wound or a condition that they've had for years, maybe decades, and they took our products for 4 to 6 months, and suddenly that's healed. It is a product that gives you a full body support and allows you to continue being active. And it doesn't have to be like an athlete active. It could just be walking around, picking up your grandkids. This is the kind of stuff that you want to be able to do until forever. That's the biggest reason that I'm so passionate about what we're doing. It's changing people's lives for the better, and that's amazing.
Frog Fuel and Pro-T Gold are developed by the brilliant minds at OP2 Labs and made right here in the USA. To learn more and buy the best collagen protein on the market, visit op2labs.com or call 888-448-8468 today.